Okay, this is how not to mount your brand new Insta360 X4 on your motorcycle. I used an aluminum GoPro to 1/4-20 mount made in China, and the stud actually pulled out and stripped the threads out of the hole in the aluminum mount. You can see here how the threads are stripped in the hole. This happened after only about 1 day of riding. Here's what I'm recommending to hold your camera. If you're going to go anything on a motorcycle where the roads might be a little rough and you have some vibration issues. I picked this up for, this is Insta360's mount. I've seen some online on eBay, but this one I paid, decided to go full route and get the factory one, and this one cost me about $60 online. I must say the Insta360 X4 is pretty tough. Here it is laying on the ground as my partners drive away on the dirt road. It took me a couple minutes to figure out it was missing. Glass lens guards were all broken, but other than that it was still running. Buy the insurance.